All right, so want to thank you all for bringing us this far, 55 subscribers. It actually haven't been easy. This is like encouraging to us, and then we thank you for your contributions actually. And then there are two things involved. First of all, if you subscribe, you help the channel grow, and then second of all, if you subscribe, you get access to updates quickly. So I think it is still more of advantage to the both of us, because what we benefit from this is that our channel grows, like our channel is going to grow, and then YouTube might start recommending some of our content here to people who are coming online to search for a way to do things. And if we have it on our channel, YouTube might recommend our channel, and then for you get updates immediately. New updates are dropped. All right, so with that being said, now this section we're going to be doing our database SQL assignments. All right, so I'm going to right click here, open link in a new tab, and then I'm going to accept this assignment, and then see the deadline that I'm giving. Alright, so you accepted the assignment. Your assignment repository has been created, which is this. So I'm just going to click on this. Alright, so now let's read through. It says assignment, introduction to databases, learning objective, understand how to create and manage databases. That's the learning objective. What you will learn: submission instruction. Write all your SQL queries in answer.sql file. Answer each questions concisely, and make sure your queries are clear and correct. So where is the assignment? Okay, write an SQL query. Write an SQL query to drop the database called demo. I don't understand. So are these guys kidding me right now? So this is just the assignment. Okay, write an SQL query to create a new database called SalesDB, and write an SQL query to delete the database called demo. Do we have demo? I'm almost confused now. We actually don't have. Okay, no problems. My own is just to clone this repository, right? So let me just clone and see. Copy this. So I'm going to copy this and then minimize. So minimize this. I'm supposed to use here, but this is just like, this is not going to give me the vibes that I want. All right. So removing this, and then going to assignments, PLP assignments. Alright, so let me make this full screen, then let me delete everything I have here, Control A, and then delete. Yeah, delete everything. Alright, so this time around I'm going to open my terminal. Right, terminal, new terminal, and then I'm going to switch it from PowerShell to Git Bash. So I'm clicking on this arrow, then wait, let me zoom in. So I'm clicking on this arrow here, then picking Git Bash, so deleting PowerShell. So this is Bash has load. So I'm going to say git clone, then right click to paste this, hit enter. So I'm cloning into this. As you can see, it's here already. Yes, use my account. This is my account. Continue. Alright, so I'm here. So we have this now. I have to change my directory inside here to see this. Now cd answer, sorry, cdwk, okay, cdwk, then I will hit tab on my keyboard because I don't want to type all this stuff from the beginning again. Alright, so now I'm inside the WK folder, so let me list ls. Alright, so this is the answer SQL. Alright, so I want to open the answer SQL, and I'm going to reduce this session right here. So in the readme says the assignments, although we've read it before, so let me just take it to the assignment. Write an SQL query to create a new database called sales.db. Write an SQL query to delete the database called demo. Alright, so I'm going to block. Wait. Okay, there is no even need to use it. I can actually use this. Forgot. Don't mind me. Alright. Now it's just simple. Create database, and what was it called again? School. I think we've done it. Sales.db. 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 Sorry, I said .db. Sales.db, and then I can create another one right here to drop database. Drop database, and what's the database called again? Demo. Okay, drop a database called demo. So demo, drop database demo. But then we don't have demo before, so let's create it. I don't know if this is allowed, but we are not asked to create it before dropping it. But it doesn't seem right to drop what you haven't created, so I'm going to create it first, then drop it. Alright, so that's it. And yeah, current allow. What's my password again? You don't have to run yours, so please don't run yours. Alright, don't run yours. Okay, so it says create database exist. Okay, yes, we already created it before. From the when we were doing the last one then, so we've already created it before. We don't have to do that anymore. So it's just this one that gave the error, but creating and removing demo didn't return any error. So let me show databases. Show databases. So, and let me highlight you alone, and then sorry, wrong, select block. No, let me remove this. Yeah, wrong. Okay, we have NB&B, MySQL, sales.db, and this one cannot show because immediately we created it, we dropped it again. Alright, so I'm going to delete this because this was not asked to come with it, and this too was not asked to come with it, but I just felt like it should be. Alright, so now let's go back to our terminal. I've finished solving it inside the answers.sql. So I've finished solving it. So for your own safety, don't add this because we are not asked to do so, but felt like it's not making sense to drop what you didn't create. Okay, so I'm coming back to my terminal again, maximizing my terminal. So not SQL console, coming to terminal. Now it's in SQL console, but I'm returning it back to terminal. So I've clicked on terminal. So now what I want to do is just say git add dot, then git commit -m, and then initial commit my first database assignment, then hit enter. Alright, then I can say git push universal origin main, because I'm already on main. So before I push it, let me have this at the side of the screen so that I'll just see it going in at the same time. So where is let me raise you at this side. No, prefer you come to this side. Alright, so let me refresh first. As you can see, it is, let me first open this. So let me open this in another tab. Alright, so this is what's inside the, was it readme I opened? Answer.sql. So as you can see, it's very empty. Alright, so now let's push, let's hit enter here. So then you're going to see my name around here. Okay, let's feel level lacking. Continue. You're going to see my name around the top here. Okay, so it's successful. Now let me refresh this first one. You see, this is my name, so I've added it. Then now let's go to the second one here. You know, it's empty. Let's refresh, and that's it. So my work here is what? Done. So what I just need to do is go back to this particular one here. Just gonna then click on code, grab this, copy, go back to PLP, then finish assignment, and then submit. Ctrl V, then submit. And yeah, that's it. I'm done with week 1. On to the next, week 2. So thank you all for staying till the end of this session. Let me see, how long did we stay? Okay, it's just 12 minutes, so this is actually very short and very fast. Okay, so we're going to continue from here, and I really need to sleep before my brain will start turning upside down. So once again, thank you for staying around till the end of the session. I remain my humble self, Godfavor Abraham, and I think the next one to look at is, which one? I don't even know. Okay, startup building. We've not touched startup building. Alright, so thank you once again for staying till the end, and then our most appreciation to those to our 55 subscribers. You're doing well. We are seeing your contributions, and thank you. So till the end of till the next update, stay strong, wax strong. You've got this. So we are going to try as much as possible to see if we can be staying ahead of the sections, so that you will get knocked up in like deadlines and short time deadlines. So thank you once again, and if you need a personal session with me, this is I've said, check the description section. So I possibly would have kept my inbox there, so you can directly message me. So thank you once again for reaching out. So if you're reaching out and I'm not quickly messaging, I'm not quickly responding, kindly comment to the videos. So I tend to see the comments easier because it's going to pop on the face of my mobile phone. So because I'm not most of the time on my PC, where you might have sent message and I'm not seeing it. So thank you all once again. I've thanked you almost like 5 times, but good night this time around. I said good night. Goodbye.